Hey buddies, congratulations! And in this video, I want to inform you about the steps you need to take with your seedlings to enhance the volume of the root system in the cup. When you grow any seedlings like eggplants or peppers, and tomatoes are also on the way, when we transplanted them into cups, we filled them with soil, as you can see. But after watering, the soil settled a bit and the cups are not full. I have glasses that hold half a liter. That's sufficient for growing strong seedlings and ensuring they don't feel cramped. However, when there is a significantly smaller amount of soil in the cups compared to mine, the root system rapidly occupies the entire space within the cup. Then it will not grow anywhere because there is a very small amount of soil. She will stop growing and appear all sickly. You'll be looking for some nourishment to fix this situation, but the thing is not in the divisions, just plain running out of ground. And so now, when the seedlings are big enough, we're moving on to the next step. And you can do this, like I said, throughout the whole garden. You see, this is our family tree. It will eventually fall off on its own, but this place is our starting point, because it's exactly because of this foliage, or the place where it grows. Like for example on eggplants, the foliage has already fallen off, but the place remains, so it's exactly because of this foliage that we fill it with soil. The soil I possess is fluffy and dry, therefore I will fill it up further. He will settle down once I water it. Additionally, do not worry if you close the location where the perennial leaves were growing. There, the wounds have healed and we won't cause any damage to the seedlings. Before adding the shot glass, we didn't water it. Let's do some watering. If y'all already watered y'all's seedlings today and then watched my video and topped them off with soil, y'all can skip the watering and do it in a few days so as not to harm your seedlings, because excessive watering of seedlings is also highly detrimental. And now, here on the trunk where I filled it with soil, new roots will regrow once more. Peppers grow slowly in seedlings, while tomatoes and eggplants grow very quickly in seedlings. So in approximately a week, you will see how your seedlings start growing once more because plants grow in proportion to their size. The roots are developing and the green vegetation is expanding. If the roots do not grow, nothing will grow on the surface either. So be sure to do this trick on your seedlings, and then your seedlings will start growing well even without fertilization. But if you come to my channel, you'll see that there are a lot of videos on how to stop seedling extraction, what fertilizers to use for root system growth, as well as many other useful videos. Be sure to come in, take a look, wish you a successful day, see you in the new videos.